Oh yeah, look at those. Look at the little nice colors on my trees around here. What's that big old bright thing out there? What up, gang? What up, what up? Today's video. Let me lay it out real fast. Is the installment of my YouTuber name on my car and on the back windshield. Yeah. So with that said, let's get this video started. In the description, I'm gonna put the site, or however you call it, the link or something, to where I got my YouTuber name from, and maybe you can get it from there, or you can get it from your local place if you got some shops around here that do it, or in your towns too, wherever it's at. But with that said, let's get this. Oh. Let's get this started, y'all. Let's get this started. Let's get it started. Oh. See, I didn't put it down all the way. Yeah. I'm not editing that out of the video either. That's all straight raw. You see, it flew off. It's still a little breezy, but with that said, I'm gonna get installing this. Do you guys want to watch me? I don't know. But like I said, I'm gonna get to installing this. When I turn back on the camera, you will see it on. You know, I still got quite a bit of things to do to her. You know, if you already saw that video, me driving Mopar Main Hellcat, well, Jolly Cat, that's what he calls it, Jolly Cat. Check that video out. That was awesome to drive his Hellcat. And plus, he drove my Scatty Lola right here. He drove that. We both got cool, honest opinions from two different type of owners. Hellcat owner, Scat Pack owner. They both 2020s, you know, but just to get a different type of review from both vehicles, whoo, I'm telling you, it was nice. I like it. Pretty sure he like it. Check out those videos. And it's 2020. We're still going up. Besides, I ain't done yet. Definitely ain't done yet. We ain't done. Alright, like I said, I'm gonna turn the camera back on, and I'm gonna show you guys when we are done. Back. Same process was done on the back, is done on the front. The front windshield is a little like a oval shape. I mean, you probably can tell from how I laid the G out in the middle. But you know what? It's cool. You know why? because it's mine. I know I did it. You know, so it's dope. Like I said, I'm gonna put in the description where I got it from and everything. This is color orange. It's like a gloss finish orange, not matte black. Matte, not like a type dry looking orange. I'm gonna move my little oops here away. Pretty much explanatory. This is it. Turn 17 3.0. Look how I got my, look how that shit look. Yeah, no light, let me see. Far off, distance. I mean, you kind of could tell it's a little down and up in the middle, but hey. It's turn 17 3.0, y'all. 3. Continue watching more of my videos. Stay tuned for more stuff. You know, this will inspire anybody to want to do the same thing or potential, yeah, all of the above. It's turn 17. I'm out to the next vlog or car review. We're going up 2020. Peace, everyone.